Hi guys, welcome back to How to Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own Kahoot game, and this is going to be very easy, so just follow me. So right now I have just logged in into the Kahoot. This is a free version, okay? And as a teacher, you will get a lot of options like a teacher, professional, student, a lot, just select according to you. And if you want to create a game, you have to just click on the create, which is on top right side corner. So click on the create here, and I want to do a short game, so click on this one. And there's a lot of preset available here. If you want to use it, you can, but I will not use it. And here you can create a question. Let's say if I want to type here, what is 5 minus 3, and that is a question mark, right? And here you can just import the images and whatever you want from your PC. And I will just add here options. Let's say, yeah, I will add here the option, and right, so these are the 4 options, and you have to select which one is the correct, okay? And you have to just go to the circle icon, just click on here, and you can select. So I will just and here if you want to more questions, you can just click on the add questions, and here you will get a lot of options: quiz, true and false, type answer, sliders, and there's a lot more, right? And if you want to add slides similar to this slide, you can just create a slide here, and there's a lot of it, and you can just try it out. And here there's a you can do the same thing, add a question, true and false, you can select from here too. And if you want to have a time limit of only 10 seconds to each question, you can do it. You can give, if you want to give a points, double points, no points, you can do according to you. And there's a single, and this is a paid version, okay? So here you can just select single sheet, okay? And after doing all the changes, you have to, if you want to preview, you can just click on the preview, which is on top. If you want to add themes, you can just add the themes. And this is pretty easy, guys. So after doing all of this, you have to just click on the done. And here you have to just enter the title. Let's say it's my game, and your description according to you, and it's optional. If you don't want to fill it, don't fill it, okay? And after that, you can just click on continue, and it will save it, and you can just test your game. You can play now, or you can share it with us. And after that, if you want to edit, once again, you can just edit it. Just click on back to edit, and you can just click after doing everything, right? So I hope you found this video really useful, and if you did, leave a comment down below. Make sure to like this video, subscribe channel. See you guys in the next video.